Alright, so now, do we have like terms on this one?
We do.
Do we have opposite signs?
We do.
Yeah. So which variable are we going to be eliminating? P is Paul. Alright, so would we add straight down to eliminate, or would we subtract straight down to eliminate? Add. Why would we add?
Because it's opposite signs.
If we had same signs, what would we do?
It'd be negative 2p.
If we had same signs, you would subtract. Opposite signs, add. Very good. It would be negative 2p.
Same signs, subtract, opposite signs.
Opposite signs, add. Yep.
So if it was like 5m plus 2p,
Then you would subtract, because you have to kill it, right?
Yeah.
So you would have to do 2 minus 2. So here, the reason we add is because we have negative 2 plus 2. That's why we add. So those are dead. What's 5m plus 3m?
8m.
What's 24 plus 24?
48.
And what do we do now?
Divide by 8.
M equals?
6.
Look at us go. Good job, guys.
Only they all could do that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, life is tough. Alright, now, we have found M. What else do we need to find?
P.
And how do we find P?
Set it. Plug it in.
Plug it in. Are we going to plug it into the top or bottom?
Either, doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter, but it's always good to just do one every single time. So we have 5 times what?
6.
Awesome.
Minus 2p. 30.
First person done, raise your hand. Who had their hand up first? Alright. Yes, P is equal to 3.
30. So I have a question.
So then now, we're not done. How do we write our answer? As a coordinate. And you always write the variable first, like alphabetical order. So it would be 6, 3.
Okay, what if it was 5? Can you show your work? 5s and 2p.
I'm sorry?
What if it was 5s and 2p?
P would come first. Always in alphabetical order. Alright, so how I got that was I did 30, correct? So you have 30 minus 2p, and then you subtract 30 from both sides, and you get negative 2p equals negative 6. Because 24 minus 30 is negative 6. Do you see how I got that? Ben, are you sure? Okay. Alright, y'all want to try one without me?
Yeah.
Alright.
Hey, can we do it when if like if the table gets it right?
Yes.
I'm not
independently stable.
You are independently stable.
Wait, I feel like I'm frustrated.
Yes.
Oh, never mind, I got it.
Okay. Sweet potatoes, children. Sweet potatoes.
But you know, 6 is eggs, right? So it doesn't matter. It always comes first.
Alphabetical order.
Is this a medium, easy, or hard one?
More easy than medium.
I got some E-L.
Okay, that's fine.
What's the top one, G2? Yeah. Okay. I wasn't trying to criticize. That was just asking.
He's got a toupee now. Are we happy?
Yeah.
What?
Are the 11s can you have to do like subtract the second? Can you please?
No, you can eliminate either variable. Leave her alone so she can work. Okay.
What?
You're just yelling at people now.
I'm trying to. I feel like Cinderella.
Oh, heck no.
You feel like so. Yes, she does. She's cleaning. Oh my, what is happening? Oh my mama, we're eliminating this. Minus. You kill it. And that gives you 4G, and then 13 minus 25 gives you negative 12. And divide, and you get negative 3. So then you take that, and you plug it in here. So that gives you 11F plus 14 times negative 3 equals 13. What's 14 times negative 3?
Negative 42.
Gracias. And then add 55, and you get 5. So your answer is 5, negative 3. If your whole table got it, you get a point.
No.
Uno más, and the first person done with this one gets 3 points. Who are you talking to like that? I haven't written it down. Slow your roll. Yep, I am writing it down below the screen so nobody can see it. And you can have a decimal in this one, or a fraction. You are in pre-AP, and if you don't do it, you get a -1.
I'm trying so hard.
He wasn't here yesterday.
We've gone over problems. He could have watched the videos. Get it together, Tater Tot. Y'all are whiny, and I'm over it. I love you too, but y'all are in pre-AP, and I'm over the whininess. Go.
I don't like racing this, y'all.
Maggie Jo had hers up first, and then Jonathan, and then Micah. Oh, real close.
Jonathan, Micah, then Cleo.
2 points. Or did I say 3? 3 points. Where? Nope.
Cleo was next.
I know. 2 points. Nope. One point. Real close. Fantastic. All right, so on that one, you needed to subtract. They are alike. We got the same number. So that kills that. -7 minus 5 gives you -12. -26 minus 10 gives you -36. So y equals 3. So then you take that and you plug it in up here. And that gives you 6x minus 7 times 3 equals negative 26.
Well, I just did.
Look at you. Fantastic. All right, so make sure it's correct because we're going to have a notebook check soon.
Do you have to put it in fraction?
Yep.
Do we?
I would prefer it in fraction form, yes.
Okay.
Because it's a repeating decimal. Yeah, but I would rather it be in fraction form.
Okay.
So whatever points I gave you, mark it on your strip. Are we ready for the next kind?
I'm putting in power. But it wasn't in fraction form.
That's okay. But I would just like it in fraction form because we're not afraid of them. Yes. Because even though these right here have opposite signs, they don't have the same number. These do have the same number, so we subtract to kill it. So look for the same number first, if you can get that, and then either add or subtract. That was a good question. All right, ready for the next kind? Yes.
Are we racing again?
No, we're going to practice the first one, then race on the second one. Alright, so yesterday we also talked about kinds that you have to multiply to get the same coefficient, correct? Yeah. You guys remember that? So that's what we're going to practice now. I know, I don't know what's happening. Okay, so the first one that we're going to do is 2x minus y equals 4. And 7x plus 3y equals 27. So now, we usually look for opposite signs and same coefficients. Now, do the x's have opposite signs?
No.
Do the y's have opposite signs?
Yes.
But do they have the same coefficient?
No.
So how do we get the same coefficient?
You multiply by 3.
Why would we multiply by 3?
Because the bottom one is 3, so it can be negative 3.
So you take the coefficient of the y value on the bottom, and that's what you multiply the top by. So we take this number, whatever it is. It could be a potato, and we would multiply the top by potatoes. So we're going to multiply it by 3. And you multiply everything in there by 3. Everything, everything. And that gives us 6x minus 3y equals 12. And then 7x plus 3y equals 27. Now, make sure that you are watching your signs, that you are watching the numbers that you write down, and you're watching what you bring over. Because some people are not bringing over the correct number. We're not watching our signs. We're not multiplying correctly. So make sure. Now, we have opposite signs. So do we add or subtract? Add. 6 plus 7 gives you
13.
negative 3 plus 3 gives you
39. Oh, 0.
listen to what I ask. 12 plus 27 gives you, there we go. Now what do we do?
Divide by 13.
So what does x equal?
3.
Beautiful. Yes.
One question. Okay, so is that going to be for like the first part of it, multiplying it, or like, is that going to be the case for a lot of them that you would have to do?
Yeah. If they don't have the same number.
Same number, but it's like y by itself.
No.
Or just try to get it to the same number.
Yes, try to get it to the same number.
So if you multiply that by...
Like if this was 2 and this was 8, we would multiply by 4.
Oh, multiply the bottom one by 4.
If the top one was 2 and the bottom one was 8, we would multiply the top by 4. Because 2 times 4 is 8.
Okay.
So we're trying to make them the same. Alright, so take x and plug it back in to get y. Does anybody have y yet?
I do.
Fantastic. Yes, you can have a point. If you already got 2, you get a point.
Wait, did we go over today?
Yeah, no, that's only on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. No, today's Wednesday. Yeah, that's fine. I don't care. You can go over.
Go over what?
Debbie said she got 9 all by herself.
I don't know what you said.
Debbie
we got
said she got 9 all by herself.
Yeah. Today? Yeah. Because Patrick was very silent.
And he was telling her doing something. Drawing.
Do I need to work out how to get Y, or we good? Or? Yes, I do.
Yes.
All right, so 2 times 3 minus Y equals 4. And so then you get 6 minus Y equals 4. Subtract, and you get negative Y equals negative 2, so Y equals 2. So then 3 times 3, comma 2. All right, so this one is going to be entire group has to get it right to get your point.
Wait.
We're racing again?
No, entire group has to get it right. We'll race on the next one. Yeah, this is entire group. We're going to race on the next one. I like that y'all like the point system in racing.
I'm very competitive.
You're very cold.
Wait, what's the bottom step?
Negative 3x plus 4y equals 15. Yes.